Today I got Santa Cruz, and we are putting on some door visors for the front only. There's the number for them. One box. Just open and see what's in there. Okay, so here's the pieces here. We got one for each side. Got some parts here. I haven't done one of these, so let's see how this goes together. Looks like we got the left and the right labeled. Got all our little pieces here. These aren't screws, these are little like push clips. Push them in when they get in the right spot. First you want to clean the surface here because you got the sticky stuff here. Don't peel that yet. Kind of size it and position it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark down, because there's a hole here, and one here. So I'm going to take some tape or something and mark right above where those holes are going to be. Okay, so we want to go about 2 millimeters down from the top of the door there. And just try to get it even all along there. And we want this edge here to kind of line up with the mirror housing there. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to mark spot here, spot here. I'm just going to use a little piece of tape to mark each of those locations. Okay, so I just use a little piece of tape, mark my locations. I think the directions was saying to use like a marker or something like that. I'm not going to sit here and draw on someone's car. So then we got our little brackets here. And where these are going to go, we're going to go. Oh, dropped it. You want the hole facing the outside. We're going to go in like this. We're going to go right in this channel here. So if we take this seal here, of course it's not as easy with one hand, but I'll get it. Alright, we'll start back here where I get my, there we go. Just pull this down. See, the seal comes off right here. And we grab our little bracket. I'm going to go right where the tape was marked. Push it up. And we'll kind of just clip in there. So we're going to put one of those on each of my locations, and they still can slide and move a bit, so you still can do some adjusting. So I'm going to get those other two in. Alright, so I got all three in there. I'm going to push that seal back. You see there's a little, let me open this and show you the other side. There is like a little ridge going along here, which is going to kind of go over that metal here. We get all that pushed back up in there. You can see holes align here. You need to adjust a little bit, you still can slide them. Once we get those on there, that's when we'll worry about the tape here. But you want to make sure you have a clean surface here for that too. So I got one in. Oh, I dropped it. It's bouncing around. Crap. got here. Slide it or line up with the hole here. Push this clip. Push in there. You're going to hold the back. And there we go. That one's in. That one's in. We'll do one more. So all those are in there. Now with the clean surface and everything lined up, then we're going to peel the tape back and push it against there. Otherwise it's just going to be, loose and rattling, and that'll probably be noisy, and you're not going to want that. So peel this tape is pretty easy. Just going to go pull it off like that, get your final line up, and press it in. So we got it all. It's on there. It's anchored in. It's good. Got these stickers, and then I'm going to wipe all my fingerprints off it, and then we'll just do the same thing to the other side, and we'll have these installed. These are actual Hyundai brands, so you can get aftermarket ones, and it'll probably be a different setup of how it goes in. But pretty straightforward, something to do in the driveway. One of the last things you want to do after you get these on, you can see they're on here, is make sure the window, everything closes right, doesn't affect anything. That way you make sure the seal, the window actually push that seal back up where it's supposed to be all the way if you didn't already. So pretty simple. There it is.